Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about my second microbit project in Python programming language. Not English, what we speak. It's Python, computer language. Bug Hunter, Fix the Code challenge. So debugging the code. Mini game idea. Can you spot the bugs before I reveal the fix to you?
Oh.
Well, you can pause the video and see if you can find it before me until I show you the answer, which we'll do it right now. So
I don't know which one is error, which are the errors there.
Yeah, so if you don't know, that is okay. I'll tell you it right now. So as you can see, this line looks okay, right? Don't you think? This line is supposed to be blank, like paragraphs.
Yeah.
And then while true is like repeats and loops. And display that show. I found one. This is supposed to be uppercase, so let's circle that.
Yeah. And
it's supposed to be uppercase, like this one down here.
Mm-hmm.
And I found another one in this one too. There is no bracket. A strong one? That was a really bad one, but anyway.
Sleep.
So sleep, you also need a bracket. I mean, that's clear.
Yeah.
So let's add a bracket. So display that scroll.
Has a lowercase?
That S is supposed to be a lowercase. Let's just circle that. As you can see, it's uppercase right now. I know I was not in the video, but uppercase. And now lowercase.
How about the other one? The display, the scroll?
Oh, I found one here. You're supposed to have these quotation marks. But that's not an error, okay? What I just circled.
Yeah, it's in 45.
Yeah, so here. So display that show image ink. This is easy peasy.
Not a double bracket.
Oh, that one was really easy.
Ooh.
And then we'll show the code later on in this video.
You fixed the
code. And if you found it before me, great job.
Good job.
So badge builders. Show who you are. So what is a smart badge? How microbit can show information like your name. Mine is Lena. What is yours?
John.
John. No, it's not. I don't have an older brother that's named John. I have an older brother that's not named John. Mini game idea. Can you make your own badge? I think I can because I have it right here.
Okay, how?
So display that scroll. Name, Lena. Because my name is Lena. Your name is not Lena. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. So display that scroll. My age is 9. Turning 10 soon. So display that scroll. Grade 4. It's summer right now, so I'm going to grade 5 right now. So I passed grade 4. What grade are you guys going to in? So weather phases. Mood matching games. So text emoji on the microbit, combining messages and images. Which is your favorite season?
Summer.
Nah, it's fall. It's definitely fall. So which weather do you like the most? Summer, winter, rainy, cloudy. That's unexpected. So here is our code. So display that show. Scroll. Sunny. And then show happy face. So let's draw these actually. Okay, so we have a happy face. Happy.
So that will go in the sunny.
Happy. Okay. Display that scroll. Rainy.
Sad.
I like the rain.
Me too.
It's my favorite. So let's draw a sad face.
How about you can draw beside that?
It technically is.
Yeah, if you draw beside, it's more effective.
So display that show. Scroll. Cloudy. Why is it cloudy outside?
Confused.
Where's the window? Oh, there it is. It's not cloudy outside. It is.
It's like you're putting finger on your head.
Okay, anyway, that is confused face. So I'm just gonna draw it like this. Okay, I don't know how to draw a confused face.
Mm-hmm.
And then display that squirrel snowy. So image surprise.
It's snowy outside.
You look so funny.
It's like your bubble machine.
There's a video about this bubble machine, so go check it out.
Yeah.
Vroom. There's no bubbles in it yet.
Okay.
So button. Make your microbit react. So using buttons A and B, interact with the display. Like as it says display.
So that's the code
Yeah.
in Python.
Yeah, that is the code in Python.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys knew that, great job. Let's go on. Let's continue. So using statements, introduce decision making in code. So while true, if button A is pressed, display that show happy.
Yeah.
And then else, button B is pressed, then display that show sad. So for example, button A was pressed, and then I got a chocolate. But then if button B was pressed, I did something wrong, and I get a punishment.
Oh.
Not actually.
Mm-hmm. You always do a good job.
So sad. That's why there's sad. Sad. I'm trying to make it sad. And then happy. So then else, display dot clear. They're very angry. Whoever is giving you the chocolate and being angry at you. So let's go on to the next slide. So start coding on microbit Python editor. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm excited to see that.
Well, we're not actually walking there.
Oh, here you go. The code is here.
Oh, the code's already on. Okay. So this is the one with the angry. This was the bug fixing one. Forgot what it's called.
Microbit?
It was the bug defixing one. Anyway, let's play this. Open. Oh, there we go. Let me just restart it really quick. Heart.
Yeah. Heart image is there.
Hello.
Hello. 45.
45. Who's 45 here?
And then angry. I don't see angry.
I think it restarted. Let's see. 45.
And then heart. There is no angry face.
It's fine.
I want to say angry face. Oh, not in
this
the
is
human.
my really angry face.
In the coding.
Okay. Anyway, let's go to the other ones. So this one, I believe, is the introduce yourself on the microbit. So for example, you were meeting a new friend, and then you didn't really know how to say how your info about yourself. So you use your microbit that you have, and then you play it, and then you tell how the info about you. I just made that up, okay? So let's.
Good story.
I was just saying, okay. Let me try to. Yeah, just gonna go back that big. So first you have to say name, Lena, my name, not your guys's. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. And then age is 9, turning 10. And then grade 4, going to grade 5. Name,
Lena.
L-E-E-N-A. Age equal to 9. I believe it's 9.
Grade 5.
4, it says, but I'm going to grade 5.
And then
no, it said 4, yes.
done.
And let's just stop this. So let's go on to the next one. So button A is pressed. I feel like... Here, wait. I got a trick for this one. Hello? There we go. There it'll go. It's supposed to show a happy face. Oh, wait. A happy face. Sad face. So if you have a microwave, you'll see there's two buttons. Well, there's one on the back too. That's the restart button. So this is button A. You can press it. So if you code it on your microwave on the computer or something, like you have a iPad, then you can code on it just like it says. If button A is pressed, display that show image happy. That's why when I press button A, happy face. And when I press button B, button B is pressed. Press.
Sad.
It's just sad.
Yeah.
Come back to me. Happy.
A,
Sad.
happy. B, sad.
Happy. Sad.
Nice
Okay,
demonstration.
now bye-bye. So unfortunately, we didn't get to make the...
Confused?
confused? The
And
weather
surprise!
We didn't get to make that in time.
We can make next time.
Yes. Okay, so we already did this part.
Yeah.
So let's see what's next. So
that's all.
thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. For now, bye and see you in the next video.
Bye. Thank you, Lena.